Good day. Hi, I'm Jess. In this video, we will learn how to implement the use of control flow. What to learn? Control flow. So this control flow handles a lot of process. Okay, so different kinds of process. So this control the system flow from start to beginning. So we're gonna add some spice on the control flow, which is I'm gonna add looping. So let's say you have a lot of data. For example, let's say I have Excel files. There's a tricycle, motorcycle. Let's say I have a multiple Excel files that contain data, and then I would like to transfer all the data in SQL Server there. So this would be a good example of control flow using looping. For this one, we will be creating a car folder, okay, a car folder that contains a lot of data. Okay, so car one contains one data on the port. Car 2 contains one data, Altis Toyota, with a column same as the column in car 1, model and the name. All are par car. As is the car 3, Mitsubishi Evolution. Okay. So next is we're gonna create the destination for this test. So I created a DPO TBL car under SSIS database here, and then edit up to 100. So I'll be truncating every data here, by the way, so that data will be clean there. So now, no more data, so it's clean already. So the main idea is transfer the data here going to SQL Server. So this contains multiple Excel files, this folder, and then we transfer here in SQL Server. Okay, so now gonna open the SSDT, right click, and then run as admin. Now is click File, New Project, and then this one, I'll name this one as SSIS demo. Got a demo for control flow with loop. Click OK. There you are. Now we will go to data flow. So with this data flow, we will create a Excel source. So now we're going to create a data flow task first. On clicking the data flow task, we go inside and then go to Excel source. We'll be needing this one, data conversion. Last is the OLEDB connection destination. Good. So now I'll create a connection manager. Click a file there. There. Be sure that you click also the name sheet columns. Perfect. So now I'll connect this one to data conversion. I'll convert all the data from Excel, which is by default the Excel data are all Unicode. So I'll click the columns model and then the name. Then set this one to string. Click OK. So I'll connect this data conversion to this one, OLEDB destination. So with this OLEDB destination, I click new connections, wait for it, click server name, point this server name to my server name, which is wherein the I'll put the reference to my server name on where the database SSI is connected, wherein the I'll click this drop down of the server name for me to reference the server name where my database located. Find my database here. There. Test connection. Click OK. Succeed. Click OK. There. So click OK. What table? So TBL cars. Gonna map it out. Close this one. Copy model. Copy name here. So I'll map it already, which is from the conversion. Okay. There. So we're done with the data flow. Now, I'll go first with the Solution Explorer and then check first if the property debugging. So run 64-bit runtime to false. Okay, so you just take note of it. The moment you set the run 64-bit runtime to false, it will stop the error messages. Okay, so kindly set this one to false and then click apply and then OK. Now we're gonna create variables. For us to create variables, we're gonna make a multiple load of data right now. So variables, and then on this variable, click this icon. So variable. So let's start with file path. So set this one to string, the data type. The value would be this one there. Cars, forgot the folder. So copy the car one. I believe I copy this one. Copy this one. Copy the whole location. Is it in the SSDT? There. Next would be the file folder. File folder. Set this one as string. There. So file folder would be this one. Next will be file name. Set this one to string. Control V. File name would be car1. Task with the archive, storage. Keep this one as string as well. So the location of this one is here. Property, car, archive folder, copy. One slash folder. So archive folder good. Next is we are done with the variables. So right now we create a for each loop container. We're gonna toss this object here, there. So then we go to Excel Connection Manager. With the connection Excel Manager, click the expression here, click ellipses, and then we define the Excel file path to our parameter. This one. Evaluate, click OK. So we're good. So now we're gonna go to the property of the for each loop. Okay. So go to variable mapping and then set this one to file path. Set this index to 0. Okay. So next we go to collection. Inside the collection, we set this enumerator to for each file enumerator. Click the ellipses. expression here, there. So now we're gonna define our directory here and then put our file folder here. Click OK. Good. So variable, we're good. Selection, we're good. Okay. So we now choose fully qualified under retrieve file name and then the folder for the file. Now to just do a reference on this one where the files located. So it's in my desktop. The cards there. So files to read is XLS, Excel file only, and click OK. Now we're gonna run this one, our package. The column needs to be added to the external one. Cut this out, man. Cut this out. I just debug this one. Now I'll run this one. Same error. Wait, wait. I'm gonna debug it again. Now I think we're done. So we're gonna run this one. Okay. So we're gonna check this out. Now we're gonna check TBL cards here. Click edit tab 200 there. So I think the process runs correctly.